Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. You're watching Lumber Capital Log Yard. Oh yeah. Good morning everyone. I mean, it's probably more evening by the time I get this uploaded, but this morning we are going to be cutting down these lovely boards on the buzz saw or buck saw, whatever you want to call it. It's actually a Shark 700, just so everybody is aware of that. But we would have run the mill first this morning, but we have a really hard time trying to determine just how long everything is going to take us in a day. And this is kind of a priority. You never know what happens. Sometimes it's like the tractor isn't available for use when we need it and we thought it would be, or anything. There's a variety of stuff that just goes on in the day that really screws up the plans that we had previously. So we're going to get this cut down first before we get started on the mill. The buzzsaw is actually having some trouble starting. It's pretty cold out here this morning, so we're not surprised. So never mind, we are running the mill, I guess, because that will not start. I doubt that it will be a problem once it heats up a little bit today, like I already said. But you can see how quickly our plans change. And this is just literally every single day. It gets annoying. It's like, why do we even make plans just for this to happen? So it's almost 11:30 here. The day has heated up a little bit. I mean, actually pretty significantly. So we're going to try and start this machine up again and see if we have better luck this time. We got it going. So we finally got that all done. It took us about a half hour. The final count I think was 76 and the order was for 75, so there's one extra in there, which is perfect. Just in case there's one board that has a little bit too much of bark, or maybe it has a split in it or something. So there's an extra one in there just in case of that. We're gonna go ahead and eat lunch because it is that time of day, and then we'll get back to milling. All right, we just finished our last log of the day, and Jade's just putting the last piece on the trailer now. We should go see what Sammy's up to over at the firewood splitter. Our day has not come to an end yet, but unfortunately this video has. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time.